Let's try one more. Okay, I want you to feel where your right leg is. See how bent it is? Okay. Good. Good. Nice. Okay, let's switch. Ready? Now I want you to make the left leg feel just like the right leg did. Bend it. Bend it. Bend that left leg. Yes. Okay. Slow. Bend it. Keep it bent. You got it. Keep it bent. Where are your eyes going? You don't know? Whoa! Up. Good. I got you. Come on back up. Up. Come on. Oh, good. I got you. Come back up. I know. That's what I said. Where are your eyes? Up. Straight forward again. Let's do it again. Bend. Yeah, because I want to keep going on this now. Leg bent. Leg bent. Good. Now I want you to get a little dizzy. Spots. Okay. All right. Want to sit? Sit. There we go.